In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix image descriptions via Perplexity. If you've ever needed clearer, more accurate image descriptions for accessibility, SEO, or just better documentation, Perplexity makes the process simple. We'll walk through opening your account, uploading an image, prompting Perplexity to describe it, and giving the AI a moment to generate a detailed, usable description. Start by opening your Perplexity account. Make sure you're signed in and on a new chat so everything stays organized. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but a larger screen often helps when you're reviewing visual details. If your image contains private or sensitive information, consider masking or cropping it beforehand, since anything you upload may be processed to generate the description. Next, upload your image. Click Upload File, then locate your file on your device. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. Choose the clearest version you have. Good lighting and sharp focus help the AI pick out details accurately. If you have multiple similar shots, pick the one that best represents what you want described. Once selected, confirm the upload and you'll see the image attached in the chat. Now it's time to prompt. In the message box, type something direct like, "Describe this image." That's often enough to get a thorough breakdown of what's visible. If you need a specific type of description, you can steer the tone and length right in the same prompt. For example, ask for a concise alt text under 150 characters, a detailed, objective caption, or a neutral, accessibility-friendly description that avoids guessing ages or identities. You can also specify the focus, such as colors, setting, mood, or key objects, and ask the model to avoid speculation by saying, "Describe only what is clearly visible." Clear instructions here lead to better, more consistent results. After you submit your prompt, wait patiently. Processing time can vary based on the image size and server load. You'll see the response appear once it's ready. Giving the system a few moments ensures you receive a complete description rather than an interrupted one. That's all there is to it. Open your Perplexity account, upload your image by clicking Upload File and locating it on your device, enter a straightforward prompt like "Describe this image," and wait while Perplexity generates the description. With these steps, you can quickly fix or improve image descriptions for accessibility, metadata, or publication needs, and you'll have a consistent process you can repeat anytime you're working with visual content.